Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show industrial pipe in SolidWorks 2025. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to select front plane and sketch. Now draw the line. Now draw the line from origin, horizontal line and angle line. Now draw here, connect horizontal, angle and horizontal. Now go to smart dimension, this point and this line distance 2000. Okay. Now this line dimension 600 and this line dimension 300. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 150. Okay. Now this line dimension 300. Okay. Select. Now this line dimension 600. Okay. Now go to feature and select sweep. Now here select circular. Now here give the value. Now you can fillet here. Fillet. Now you can 2D sketch fillet. Now select this line and this line, this line and this line, this line, this line, this line. Now give the value fillet. Now I am going to value 200. Okay. Now go to exit. Now here select feature and sweep. Now here select circular. Now here give the value dia. Now give the value 400. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here edit 300. Okay. Now go to this face and now go to top plane and go to reference geometry plane. Now here below. Now here below. Now here below 150. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the central line here. Now draw a circle from central line midpoint. Now give the value circle 300. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now direction change up to next. Okay. Now go to this plane height. Go to isometric view. Now I am going to here select shell tools. Shell. This face and this face. Now here give the value 10. Okay. Now go to section view chat. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select shaded. This face select and sketch. Now this circle convert entities. Now go to offset. This circle offset. Now here below 60 or 80 or 100 as you wish. 100. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now go to reverse. Now here select 20. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the center line. Now draw the circle here. Now give the below 30. Go to feature and select extrude card up to next. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now here select this is. Now select here card. Now give the below 20. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select right plane. Now go to reference geometry plane. Now here select 1000. Okay. Okay. Now go to mirror. Now select mirror. Now select this face. Feature to mirror. Now select boss, extrude boss and cut and circular pattern. Okay. Now go to hide this plane, no need. Here select plane white. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now here select this circle, convert entities. Now go to select offset. This circle select, give the value 100. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude boss. Now here select 20 and reverse select. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now go to center line and make center line. Now here dog is sound. Now go to circle dimension 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now go to up to next. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now here select this is. Now here select card. Now here give the below 20. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to circle, number of circle 10. Number of circle 10. Okay. And circle dimension increasing 40. Okay. Exit. Now go to isometric view. Now I have editing. Now select this circle. Number of circle 10. Now sketch below 40. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to here select chamfer or fillet, some fillet, and here select 10 and here. Okay. Now here select 10. Okay. Now go to isometric view, make our job. Now I am going to here fillet 10. Now go to isometric view. Now go to select metal. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class 1 to 1. You can join anywhere in the world. Thank you all. Best of luck.